What's going on everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a live Linux USB. You may find yourself in the scenario where you find a laptop that's unencrypted or some sort of unencrypted computing device, and you want to take a look at that to see if you can see any password hashes or any sensitive files that you may be able to do something with. Well, you can do that with a live Linux USB, and of course the first step is actually having a USB stick. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that into my laptop now. The second thing you need is a tool to write to that USB stick. So I'm using Rufus. If you want to download that, that's in the description. And that's going to be the tool that we're going to use to make the live Linux USB. So the second thing you need, or the third thing you need, is an ISO for a Linux of your choosing. I'm going to use Kali Linux as that's kind of the most common penetration testing Linux distribution, but you can use any you want that has live capability. Most of them do. Okay, so for Rufus, your device is going to show up here. It will only show USB devices because else you'd probably overwrite your hard drive, and that's not ideal. Everything else kind of can be set to default. So you want to select your ISO by pressing select. As I say, I'm using Kali, so let's just pop that. And that does its loading. The volume label is what the USB is going to be called, so I'm just going to call that Kali Linux. FAT32 is kind of fine, it's the default. Quick formatting the USB is fine, and you can just go ahead and press start. So you can write this using ISO mode, or you can do it in DD mode. ISO mode's fine, just go ahead and go with the defaults. So what this is doing now is it's going to do its checks, and it's going to give you a warning saying anything on the USB is going to be overwritten essentially. So just click OK, that's fine, as long as you don't have anything you want on there. And now it's going to create the ISO operating system on that USB. So let's just skip to when that's done. So that's Rufus now having made us a live Kali Linux USB. It's a great tool to have in your arsenal. If you don't already have a live USB stick with you, carry it around always. You might come across a client site where they have various machines that have unencrypted hard drives. Simply plug that USB stick in, see what sensitive data you can get, see if you can get some password hashes, and really escalate your privileges within the environment that you're in. Definitely recommend it. So I've got another video that describes a bit about using a live USB stick, so check that out, link above. But other than that, thanks for watching guys. Give us a like and a subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you.